Okay, this is a revolved feature, and these cuts can be created by using pattern method. So one feature can be created and it can be patterned. So there are no dimensions, so assuming a small dimension, just we can create a revolved feature by using front datum plane as a sketching plane and draw a center line, and that is arc with 200 as the radius, and just draw a line and draw a line. So make this particular dimension so 300 and say 150 so that it will be symmetric, and just draw a line which is having a hole. So make the dimension as some value which is of 30, so 60 diameter, and trim all the unwanted items. And draw a center line at this location and say done, so that it gets revolved. And now just go with the chamfer and chamfer this particular edge and chamfer this particular edge at the bottom and say some 10 as the value or 20 as the value, and say done. And now circular cuts has to be created. This can be created by using revolve method. Define internal sketch, selecting this top surface as the sketching plane, and draw a center line at this particular location, and draw a circle at some distance which is intersecting, and say 200 as the distance and some 70 as the diameter or 85 as the diameter, and say done. And with the 360 degrees we need to cut the material, and say the preview. So material has been removed, and say done. Go with edit internal sketch, just move it with some distance, say some 210, and say done, say done. So this particular feature has been created, and now we need to pattern it. So select this particular feature and this pattern will be highlighted, this pattern symbol, or right click and say pattern, and say going with, you can select axis, and with respect to this particular axis it has to be created. So 4 items, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 cuts, so 360 by 6 gives 60 degrees as the angle. So give the angle as 60 degrees, and say 3 features need to be created, or say 120 degrees and 3 features need to be created, and say done. And now the 6 features will be created automatically. That is 120 degrees. That is, we are creating a feature completely, so 6 by 2 gives 3, so 360 by 3 gives 120 degrees, so give the angle as 120 degrees. With respect to this particular axis it gets patterned. This completes our model.